Well, you found a house in the perfect neighborhood on the perfect street in the best school district. The only problem, it's ugly, really ugly. That house, I think all the good bones are buried in the backyard, but that's why all the other buyers are walking away. But it would be perfect if it had a new kitchen, bathroom, windows, flooring, roof, deck. You get the idea. So that's exactly what a renovation loan is designed for. Renovation loans let you finance the purchase and the improvements all in one 30-year fixed rate loan. Your loan closes before any repairs begin, so the seller's out of the picture. And you typically have up to 6 months to complete the project after closing. So how does it work? Well, find the home, hire a specialized home inspector called a 203K consultant to inspect the property and prepare a report listing the work to be completed. Then get a bid from a licensed insured contractor. We order an appraisal based on the home's future value after the renovations are complete. You close on the loan, and now you're the owner, and renovations begin. We issue draws to your contractor as the work is completed through the project. Down payment options can be as low as 0% for eligible VA buyers, 3% for eligible conventional, 3.5% for eligible FHA buyers. And those down payments are based on the total project cost, the purchase price plus renovation bids, plus a contingency reserve for unforeseen expenses. So if you want to turn that challenging house in your dream neighborhood into your dream home, just reach out and I can talk you through all the particulars. Talk to you soon.